and welcome back to my channel. We are in Detroit going to Autorama. I think it's number 72. I've never been before. I may or may not be the only one with a pink wig on. So let's go check it out. Look how cute this is. It's a little diner. Oh my gosh. I feel like a little diner. I like this. This is so cute.
Look at that, Monty. Perfect. Uh-oh. Good job. You did it perfectly.
So I saw this car and I had to get pictures of it. Hello! Hello, Autorama! Thank you.
There we go. There you go. Lady in pink.
Like when you ride.
There you go.
Put legs in there, shut the door. Get a better picture.
We're gonna get right through here. Let's see what that looks like. All right. Oh, that's wonderful.
It's gorgeous, yeah.
Take a picture of me in there too.
Oh, right here.
Yes, please.
Oh, I thought you was with me.
Oh, you want to get the middle? Oh, okay. Look at this caddy. Her Cadillac. Look how cute you are. You're going to be on YouTube, maybe. If you look over here. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, good, how are you?
So we have some more great live recognition here at the 2025 Detroit Autorama. Hope you folks are enjoying yourselves downstairs here at Autorama Street.
Good, I like your little robot guy here. It's cool.
Thank you.
Uh-oh, am I gonna get laid?
Free.
For free? Wow.
Free.
Well, thank you. I don't know. We're gonna say that I did. It's not gonna go with my outfit. But for the record, I did get laid. Look, they hooked me up. I even got with a lady. She laid me too. It almost kind of goes with my outfit. I'm gonna put it in my stuff. So there's a pinup contest, and I've been asked about 100 times if I'm going to be in it. And the answer is so far no, because I found out about it too late. So unless they're letting new people in, I'm not going to be in it. But I did come dressed up, so maybe something will change, maybe not. Either way, we're going to have fun looking at cars. So I wondered where all the fuss was, and this car is going to turn into a transformer. I should say this car is a transformer.
Detroit Autorama, Megaball, the transforming robot car.
Look, I ran into my friends. And my miniature friends. And my not miniature friend. She's like... And there's a transformer behind me. They're not doing a good job of hiding.
Saturday's event at Autorama Extreme. They put on a great show last night. We're very happy to have them back once again. Please put your hands together for the amazing, soulful, classic rockin' band from Detroit City, Mr. Pat Smiley and the Soul Brothers.
Okay, look at this. Isn't this awesome?
My mom made me have to go there.
Okay, I'm okay with that.
Yeah, right. Okay, because everybody's like, wait, no, what the store? Yeah, what's the store?
It's all done in car paints. And then look at that one.
I love it.
Like my nickname is longer than my real name.
These chairs are so cool. Look at them. Custom painted. That I might be able to get in the pinup contest, so we're gonna go see. So I might be in the contest, maybe not. They told me to wait around.
So what's your tail?
Look how cute everybody looks.
Talk about. I'm a mom too. I sit at home. That's why I love that.
It's like real life Barbies here.
Malin Mitten! Look at this gal. More glamour, more glamour. We got number 25 up here. We got the Bonnie Scott herself. Hello, gorgeous. Bonnie Scott. I love all this pink. So cute. Oh, so cute. Smiles, shakes, shimmies, and I'm going to tell you right now, that is the ladies, y'all. All 25 of them. Let me get some noise. Let me get some more noise. This clipboard is heavy. These heels are hurting these ladies' feet.
In my mind, there's no one that's body roll. I like body roll.
You want my help with that? You need my help with that?
Holy camole, that is our top 11, y'all.
Alright, so I didn't win the pinup contest, but it was nice of them to let me participate very last minute. And we are on to bigger and better things. Hanging out with, oh, that's cool. Hanging out with my friend, John Martin. This is his art. He was in my Tiki Inferno video, so check that one out. On to the next shenanigans. Lunas, I love their stuff. It's so cute. I am super broke though, so I'm not buying anything today. But I can look. I feel like that's the story of my life. Hi, I'm Bonnie. I'm super broke. Somehow managed. And they're funny little socks. Well, there's me in a sock. Oh, here we go. That's also me in a sock. Oh, I want that stripy skirt and the top. That's so cute.
It's so cute.
Oh my gosh, look what I just saw.
Oh my god.
Look, it's so cute.
And this. Look at this. It's so cute. We've explored the basement and we're gonna go upstairs and see the other fancy cars. We made it up the escalator to the main floor and it is so much bigger than downstairs.
I have one, so I will again.
So I'm gonna take this one home.
Hello, hello, hello.
I'm gonna change the color. It's like the 4th of July over here. Oh, look. Goes with my outfit. More cars that go with my outfit. Thank you.
Look, they have little Jeepy dogs. Oh my goodness.
Oh, cheek patches. I'm gonna find my friends that have the car from Charlie's Angels, and in the meantime, we're gonna get distracted with this and that.
Hey, Miss Barb, can I get a photo with you, Miss Barb?
Sure. This is what I mean about the distraction. Random strangers.
Okay.
And that. And yes, that's happened all day, but I don't mind at all because people seem to get some joy from it, makes them giggle. So I've also been asked if my hair is real, so I guess the wig, I thought it looked very wiggy, but they can't tell, so that's good. Look at this. And that. Whoa. Spoiler, you can just take off with it. I've also been told there's a Barbie car I have to get my picture with at some point. So we're not going to leave until we get pictures with the Barbie car. I like that color. Gigantic, mean looking Jeep. Oh, there's a Stingray over here I got to go look at. My favorite cars are Stingray Corvettes, the older ones. Oh, it's so pretty. Hi. Say hi, YouTube.
Hey, sweetheart.
All right, so this is nice gentleman. What's your name?
Brandon.
He's letting me sit in his gorgeous Corvette that is my dream car. So here we go. Watch out for the road. It's interesting with this dress. This has turned into a comedy. Feel free to laugh. Leave the purse out there. Oh my gosh. It's very tiny in here. I don't think you can weigh a lot in here. I feel like you have to be a very tiny person to be in this car. No, I'm not short. I have long legs. Okay, I'm gonna get out now. Thank you.
Yes.
So I can hang on to this, right?
Yes.
I assume that's...
Yep.
I was gonna help.
Thank you so much. All right, so I found my friend's car, but he is nowhere around. That's okay. Oh, there he is! I was just saying you're nowhere to be found.
Barbie car might be on the other side of that curve.
Aren't there two Barbie cars?
Well, there's that Mustang, which I would not.
Oh yeah, it's like the Barbie one from the new movie.
That's not it. Oh, there it is.
Oh, look at this. Yeah, I kind of feel like it's mandatory to get some picture or video in front of that. Oh, I see. Yeah, there's two different ones. Oh, look at all this orange stuff.
Yeah, that's like fun too.
That's fun. Oh, and look, it's got little babies. It's like the same stuff.
Yeah.
But, oh, that's cute. Smaller. They really went to town, didn't they?
Yeah.
I like it when people have fun with it, though.
That's from Ohio.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, that was perfect. I know, it's like a satin matte texture. Wow. One single driver in that. Oh, and here's the other Barbie car.
Where'd your friend go?
I don't know. She disappeared. Well, I'm sure I'll find her again.
This is pretty neat that they got these pink.
I know. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Okay, so this one actually matches my hair. So Lindsay and I just got the cutest pictures in front of this Barbie car. It was like we talked about meeting up, but
And we met at Barbie.
I know. We met at the Barbie car, and look at our outfits. This is too perfect.
It was meant to be. Indeed. It was meant to be. Indeed.
So this is pretty perfect. So apparently this Barbie is the one that won the pinup contest. Look at this dress. I love that it's the bathing suit, but it's the long gown with the train.
The eleganza of
So
it.
did you win?
Yes, Miss Autorama.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Are these real diamonds?
Thank you.
Wish they were.
Everybody be fighting if it was real. I like how it's got a little bit of pink to it too.
I know, right? And it
What's your name?
Vera Vixen.
Vera Vixen. Nice. So is this one of the winners?
Well, there's 8, and they all have these flags.
Oh.
There's another one.
Finalist.
This one's got a great color.
That is a pretty color. See, I end up having lust for some roadsters. Oh, I know. I love those.
I don't. I can explain it.
Yes, this is cement and my feet are killing me.
But your seat cars.
So we got some really cute pictures in front of some cars, and we were even asked to take pictures with the cars. We're winding things down. Oh, and we gotta stop at this pink car here because it's like pearlized pink. And apparently pink is the theme of the car show for me. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this, look at this. Look at the roof. Ah, it is so neat. And no, pink is not my favorite color. But this is just so neat. Oh, it's so pretty and purple. See, purple is my real favorite color. Not the shade of purple, but it's still pretty awesome. So I hope you're enjoying the glimpse of this car show because it is so big. The idea was just to give you that little sparkle of car show because my feet could not take the whole thing unless I go put my Vans on. My comfy shoes, which I do have with me downstairs in my friend's booth. Anyway. Yeah.
It's called the Betty White. It has red glass. Like.
Oh, that's cute.
This is super cute. That one? Oh, that yeah. Is it gorgeous?
My feet have said it is time to go and wrap things up. So, you know what to do. You gotta subscribe and click on that like button and all that good stuff. Okay. Say goodbye.
Bye from Autorama.